Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating hardware from software. First, press num lock and watch the LED. If it toggles, the keyboard electronics respond. Once done, plug in a known good external USB keyboard to see whether numbers work there. This tells you if the laptop keys are dead versus a system setting. Make sure to inspect the key area. Debris or sticky residue can short contacts, so use compressed air or carefully remove a keycap to clean beneath it. These steps quickly narrow down the cause. Now you check software. Open Device Manager and update or uninstall and reinstall the keyboard driver. This refreshes drivers that mismap keys. Next, go to Ease of Access and make sure Mouse Keys is off. Mouse Keys uses the numeric keypad to move the pointer, preventing normal number input. Once done, reboot into safe mode to test. If numbers work there, a third-party process or driver is the culprit, so you can remove recent installs or perform a clean boot to find the guilty app or service. Finish by deciding hardware versus software. If the numeric keys still fail with an external keyboard working, the laptop keyboard is faulty. Replace it or use an external USB or Bluetooth numpad. If keys are ignored even in BIOS, reset the BIOS or UEFI to defaults. This clears low-level settings that might disable the keypad. If things go wrong, keep one troubleshooting tip. Document exactly when numbers work and when they do not, so you can report reproducible behavior to a repair technician or support agent for fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.